Good morning. Wow, it's been a dismal start to the day. A little bit of drizzle, very chilly overnight. So I thought I would take the opportunity to come and see the bluebells before they go over. So I've walked up the path that runs beside our house and I'm now in, I think this is about 2.5 acres of bluebell wood, English bluebells. The difference is the bells hang on just one side and they are smaller than their Spanish cousins. And it's so beautiful. And sadly the camera doesn't pick up how beautiful it is here with the celandines and the bluebells. I think you can just about see the green of the field that is beside us. And the cottage is there. Quite a few horse riders use this track. Oh wow, look. Don't step on it, Lincoln. Little eggshell. The blue is incredible. Wild euphorbias with their zingy green. This is a maintained woodland, and anything that falls across the path they come and they chop up, but they leave to one side to rot out. Now we've heard a woodpecker coming from this direction over the last few days, but nothing yet. The intensity of the blue. If you could see me, I have the biggest smile on my face. Oh, someone's already made their path through. So I'm going to tread carefully and I'm going to follow this path. Into the bluebells. Let's try try and slowly pan round for you. Can you see where someone's cut the ivy? They've now said that it does no harm to trees and it's better to leave the ivy. That's very recent. There's even a piranha. Can you see it? There. Up ahead there is a clearing here, and it's a round circle, and it's where they put the wood chip. And we sometimes sit there in the spring on these logs that they place around, and you have the most magical picnics. And we have come and we have got our bean poles from here in the past. We've asked permission. There's a beautiful one here. This is a coppiced woodland, so it is done by the farmer. Anyway, I just wanted to bring you with me before they go over. I wanted to set my day. Give it a good kickstart. I've had a lovely breakfast with Archie. And now I feel ready to tackle the world, so to speak. Whilst I've been here, I've done some manifestations and intention setting. There's so much going on in our world at the moment, and there's so much going on in our gardening world, that sometimes we need to just sit back, take a breath, and concentrate on what's important to us. And the most important thing to us should be ourselves, because if we're not looking after ourselves, we're not looking after others. And on that note, I'm going to say goodbye. My name's Heidi. These have been the Tudor Cottage Diaries. Just a walk in the local woodland, admiring the bluebells and the celandines. Have a wonderful day. Speak to you soon.